即届这个美国的总统大选，有4个关键的摇摆州是传出着炸弹的威胁。联邦调查局 FBI 发表着声明来表示，讲其中有真侪威胁批，拢来自俄罗斯的电子邮件。受到影响上较严重的是乔治亚这州，有10外个投票所因为安尼延长着投票的时间。
投票所的外口有几位警察举手电啊，伫4区连等4个所在。美国总统第3日投票日，传出威斯康辛、亚利桑那、密西根甲乔治亚州这4个摇摆州的投票所，拢受到炸弹威胁。
The only thing that happened today was 32 bomb threats at different polling locations. 32. We were able to clear 27 of them very quickly without the need for an evacuation. 5 of them, the polls were temporarily closed down at the poll manager's request while we conducted the sweep, and they were reopened.
乔治亚州至少有10多间投票所受到炸弹威胁影响。
As a result of that, 5 of the 177 precincts will be staying open a little later, anywhere from a little later, meaning after 7 p.m., anywhere from 10 minutes to 45 minutes, based upon the time that they were closed.
FBI 发布声明表示，这炸弹威胁的批来自俄罗斯电子邮件，严格高达拢无可信的案例。
We'll just continue to be very responsive when we hear about stuff like that. We identified the source, and it was from Russia.
并这位州长讲，滨州各地投票所甲市府大楼拢有受到真侪件炸弹威胁。西切斯特一栋投票所，当地选委会的主委讲，选民红引导到附近的地点。
We do have the cuffs. We do have the jail cells. We're not playing. F around and find out.
到一个25岁查甫人，夹配和4维吉尼亚州联邦调查局国家威胁中心甲因恐吓，伊已经伫密西根州封掠起来。美国总统第3日投票日，有关要当降低对俄罗斯的警戒心。
Hello， 我是蒋欣梅，想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。